This thing went a freaking $1 a share. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Monday morning. Let's get it going. You guys had a great weekend. Now we're back on the saddle. Two viewers, welcome to the stream. You guys are up bright and early here at 8:30 Eastern Time. 1 hour to the market open. We got GCT running pre-market. This is good. This is good news. Could have some Momo today. Could have some momentum. All right. Now that I can see clearly, I can trade some GCT. Good morning, Reckless. Welcome. 39.40. It's like a... Oh, we got the 1 minute candle make a new high. We'll see if this... I think we're going to pull back more. So let's check out the 5 minute. Yep, daylight savings. Everybody got an extra hour of sleep. Is that 2 nights ago or 1 night ago? Or is it 1 night ago? 2 nights ago. Yeah, an extra hour of sleep. The news on GCT, I didn't see any. I didn't see any news on GCT. I think it's just a pump. OYST? No, that's not a good one. Yeah, GCT and a China pump. I think the China stocks have been getting some more momentum recently. So we had Hoodie, which was also a Chinese stock. This one also made a big move. So I think GCT is moving just in sympathy. Funware is also popped up, but it's not really tradable right now. But GCT is popped up. GCT got that 9 EMA bounce. I think I am, small red here right now, down $3 here. CTM, I took a paper cut in GCT, small win on the break of 650. I did watch it here on GCT, all the way down here at 5.8, but I took it off my screen, and then before you know it, next time I saw it was at 6.20. Works. Okay, ORGS curling up. Let's see. I like the price range. We got 5 viewers now. Sweet. Welcome to the stream, guys. So, ORGS. We have secures up to 50 million subsidiary level investment from Metalmark Capital to accelerate growth point of care services. I mean, that's a pretty decent catalyst. YST. See if we can get this break at 1.9. I really want to see a follow through all the way up to high a day, too. Come on. All right, struggle there. In the bear market, the best setup right now for me is scalping the dips and taking my profits on a fresh breakout, not really holding for an extended move after a breakout, because a lot of the times they don't really resolve. So pretty much just taking profits quick on dips, on dip entries off support and breakouts. That's really how I've been consistent. But every now and then I'll have a big loss. I'll have a big loss like I did on Friday, and before that last month. Early in the month, last month, I took a big loss as well. A few big losses. So ORGS pulling back to 90 MA. We'll see what this likes to do here over VWAP, if it's going to hold or if it's going to fade. This is exactly why I didn't just hold that entry there at 88. Ideally in a hot market, you'd see this curl right up to $2 and break out. But, we just haven't been having that type of momentum. So, I mean, you take your 1 or 2 cents and you walk away. Which kind of stinks, because I was really wanting to see that type of move there. Maybe we'll get a decent bounce right here. Yep, there goes ORGS fading back down under VWAP. So, you know, it looked good because, you know, it's curling back up, volume is coming in. I thought we'd seriously see that curl up to $2. But I guess I'll just take my $2.50 and walk. Break even on the day. GCT, let's check out GCT. This could be either a bear flag, or we'll see a reclaim here of 63 or $6.35 and a curl back up to 650. We'll see. Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. If you guys are new, consider hitting the thumbs up button. Also subscribe. Also check out the links in the description. I do have a Discord for you guys to become active in the community, so you guys can check that out. We also have a promotion offering free 30-minute coaching session for subscribers up to 1,000 subs. That link will also be in the description to Calendly. We also have a link to the Patreon if you want to be a paid subscriber here on Triad Trading. Also comes with some membership benefits. You guys can check that out. And also some links to a free journaling software and a paid journaling software. Links will be in the description. Somebody's calling out SPRC. Hold it up. I don't think it's hold it up. I don't think you can have holds up on news. Premarket. Oh, it is? Wow. Thank you for that. Wow. News pending for SPRC. So GCT, let's check out GCT. This thing's popping back up. Ooh, that could have been a really good entry there. So now I don't want to be chasing it here. I'm going to wait for the next pullback. Yeah, I do have a pivot here at 47. Looks like there's lots of sellers coming in. Nice volume there. ORGS also curling back up. 647 is a major pivot here, and so we'll look to get in here on maybe a dip. If we get a dip down here to 36. Still could come lower. If it does come lower, I can add. I'm only in 100 shares. But my stop is going to be 9 EMA. All right, I'm going to take it off there, right at resistance. At 46, took it off at 46, dipping back down. Sometimes in a cold market, you don't want to wait for the break, because sometimes you'll get this. So it literally broke by 1 cent. Someone's calling out VRU. That one's getting a little bit of volatility. So we don't know, I don't know here on GCT if it's just going to pull back a little bit more and then start to go. Or if it's going to be backside. Because if it was strong, it would have broken out. I think that puts me green on the day now. Green on the day. What a great feeling that is. But you can't get too cocky because, you know, when you get green, you occasionally go red. And I'm only small green. Can't get cocky. Easy come, easy go. That's what Ross says. Easy come, easy go. Could get in on a dip. I'm thinking we could still get this move here. Like that. Like a reverse head and shoulders. So my stop then would be like, here would be that would be a very extended stop here if I got in here. So I'm going to wait for it to go a little lower. It should break by at least 1 more cent. What's the low of this candle? 70. So it broke by 1 cent. Dang it. That was the entry. So it could get in for the break of 647. But it's a big risk of a false breakout. Definitely a big risk. Maybe we'll get another candle that dips back down. So Viru, let's see what Viru's up to. This thing is ripping. The daily chart, I don't like the daily chart. This thing is very volatile right now. Here comes the break of 47. Oh, crapoli. Getting the break of 659 is dangerous. Up here. Okay, so I pretty much just let that go without me. But pretty much did exactly what I was ready for it to do. Wait for the next entry. So topping tail. So yeah, look at that. Reverse head and shoulders. Could have been a great entry there at 47. You still let 50, maybe get back in, or even add, and then for the break of the high if you wanted to risk that. I need to get something in my stomach. I'm getting hungry. All right, back. So GCT, this one is the winner so far. We got a lot of upside resistance on GCT, but I don't know how high this can go. Maybe you have another $1 or $2 share to the upside from here. Maybe it flushes at the open. We'll see. All right, hoodie. Oh my God. Although anyone who's long this, thinking this is going to be the next, whatever that other stock was, HKD, just got screwed. Oh, excuse me. Oh man, that's ugly. That is so ugly. Oh my God. That is so, so bad. It's worse than GCT? No, GCT is way worse. What about HKD? This thing's still $20 a share. Oh my God, this thing's nuts. Then we had MEGL. VERU. Breaking out. Okay. VERU is a little bit out of my wheelhouse, but it might be worth trading it if it's the only thing moving. Okay, so VERU could be a trade. This thing is ripping. Squeezing out all these shorts. Oh my God, it's up to 14 now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. First dip. Whoa. Okay, first dip. Oh. Might have been too early. Really? Really? Nah. Come on. I'm not adding. I can't add into a loser. That was way too early. Bad timing. I'm gonna have to just get out for... Let's see. Took off half. Wow, look at that 10K bid. 10K bid for a $13 per share. There we go. Come on. Go, go, go. We see a bounce here on next 1 minute. Next 1 minute candle make a new high. Come on. You don't get me good fills here. Come on. Push. Sitting on the ask. Close enough. They can get out for... Oh my god, I got out for exactly for break even. Oh my god. Exactly for break even. That would have been a great dip if I didn't get in too early. Take me a bounce. Feel the bounce coming. Feel the bounce coming. Yep. That would have been a really good entry though, up lower. But still good. I'll take 14 cents right now. Yeah, I really could have milked that way more. But I knew there was support here at 13. I should have got back in starter. 13, add, I'd be up 50. I would have got a 60-cent share. Yeah, be careful. Careful, careful, careful. This is why I take profits quick. SPRC is supposed to resume soon on the news. GCT bouncing off that previous support. SPRC just resumed here. Meets endpoints of phase 2 study on SPRC. I gotta wait for a setup here. I can't buy all the way up here on SPRC. I gotta wait for a setup. 1.6 though is the major area where I could really squeeze out the shorts. 6.3, 1.6 and 2. There's people accumulating down here, so I'm just gonna put in the starter here at 41. I see big bids. I think we're gonna have one push here through 154. I'm just gonna take it off. It's just too risky right now here. I did make something on it, right? Yeah, like 10 bucks. Oh shit, I'm still holding. I was still holding 50 shares. Whoops. So I could tell that there's buyers there because you see on the bid side, it was just thick bids and holding it up. Activision Blizzard, I have not looked at Activision Blizzard. I don't really trade large cap earnings, but who knows? I don't know. A lot of earnings plays have been good. Been good plays to the long side, at least off the market support areas, since we're still sold off. But you know, maybe you can get a move up to 2. I mean, SPRC's got a low float, 3 million outstanding. Again, though, we're still 30 cents off of the 9 EMA, so gotta be careful. This thing could really flush. Or what shorts are doing, they could be, you know, adding, and then eventually they may just get squeezed out, and this thing could really just take off. I would be very nervous right now if I was short SPRC. Okay. You can go lower. Maybe it goes to 160. I want to catch a dip on this. It's just hard to tell how low it's going to go. I mean, this could just drop through down to 150, 147. Or it could hold up and have a tight consolidation and another breakout. Could be tempting to get in here. Could have got a couple cents there off that bounce, but really hard to tell where the support was going to be. If you guys check out the Discord and join the Discord, we actually had some guy, Mr. G, a member of our Discord community, call out SPRC before it resumed. As it halted up and pending news, he was in the Discord calling it out. So the Discord can be very, very helpful to those who are members because they can get news relatively quicker with, people working together, calling out different names. Working together, you can get the news piece relatively faster than if you're on your own. So if you guys join the Discord, you'll probably more than likely be faster to the news than if you're on your own. Mr. G, shout out to Mr. G here on the Discord calling out SPRC at 9 o'clock as soon as it got halted up. News pending, and he was watching it. He was watching it. I probably wouldn't even have seen this if it wasn't for the Discord and Mr. G calling it out. So it looks like there's some support in here. Oh, careful. I'm going to get out there. It feels like there's a lot of sellers. Got out there for break even. That was a good entry, huh? Wasn't it? Could have got maybe a couple cents, but I got 20K here at 158. Do we see the bounce? Do we see the bounce? Yeah, that was a really good bounce. I got nervous there. It immediately flipped down and filled me. I was like, oh crap, I was not expecting to get filled. Wow. Oh, it would have been up 10 cents. It would have been up 10 cents here. Sometimes oh man, I panicked. I think we're going to see a good move here on SPRC at the open. I wouldn't be surprised if we break $2. Because we're above, all of these accumulated shorts. Every time this pops up and immediately rejects, lots of shorts are accumulating, trying to push it lower. And now this is the first time we're closed above 1.6. So people are opening up their brokerage accounts and seeing that this stock, and now they're in the red, so they're probably going to look to close for, and it's probably going to rip up to 2, past 2. So I would not be surprised if we do see a rip on SPRC here at the open, especially on this phase 2 catalyst. I think has a potential to go at least up to 2, so another 30-40 cents a share. So on a stock like this, let's say I'm risking between 5 and 7 cents on a trade. So say I want to risk $100, I would trade 2,000 shares. So on something like this, I should trade 2,000 shares. Well, for 5 to 7 cents, I should do 1,500. 1,500 shares increments, 1,500 share increments on something like this. Because if I'm risking 5 or 7 cents on a trade, that'll be roughly $100 of risk. So if I take the loss, it'll be $100 or less of loss. I apologize if you can hear that dog. She doesn't know better. She's annoying sometimes. It's a little puppy. She's a little puppy. She just does what she wants right now. So we got, we're going to trade it here at the open. I'm not going to make any more trades here. We got 3 minutes till the open watching SPRC. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good about SPRC. I'm going to go for 1,500 share increments here on SPRC. We have a nice catalyst. It's low float. And positive interim results, meaning primary endpoints at phase 2A study. So phase 2 is pretty decent. Phase 1 is not as important. A lot of stocks, a lot of these biopharmaceutical stocks, they get through phase 1, so it's not as explosive. But phase 2, it's more rare, and then phase 3 is really rare. And so when you see a phase 2 or phase 3 catalyst that meets endpoints, it can be pretty big. So yeah, and here Mr. G in the chat is saying, be careful of SPRC. It has a history of spiking and dumping. So don't want to top tick here on SPRC. However, we got a nice dip here, so this could be a dip. But so manage your risk, manage your downside risk, and don't get caught holding a bag. Always cut your losses, and don't average down into a loser. So that is my advice. We have 2 minutes to the open, less than 2 minutes. So that's going to be it for the stream. Thank you guys for tuning in. Do hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We also have the Discord link down below. We also have some other links for you guys to check out in the description. So check those out. Good luck today. Hope you guys get